Ghous Azam Radiallahu Ta'ala Anh had delivered thousands of lectures and dars in his lifetime. And in this video, we will take a look and a tour of how was that blessed environment and surrounding of learning and spiritualism of none other than Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani Radiallahu Ta'ala Anh. In starting, there was a little shyness in him. Then he saw a dream, and in his dream he saw beloved Rasulullah Sallallahu Ta'ala Anh His. Rasulullah asked him, "O Abdul Qadir, why don't you not lecture and give advice to people?" He replied, "Ya Rasulullah, I am not an Arab. What I am going to say in front of the fluent speaking of Arab?" Rasulullah then said, "Open your mouth." He then placed his blessed luabe the hand 7 times into the mouth of Ghous Azam and said, "Go and address the mankind and invite them to the path of your Lord with wise and beautiful words." And in another dream, he saw Hazrat Ali Radiallahu Ta'ala Anh standing in front of him and saying, "Why are you not lecturing?" Huzur Ghous Azam said, "I feel shy." Then Sayyidina Ali said, "Open your mouth." And then he placed his blessed luabed hand 6 times into the mouth of Ghous Azam, who then asked, "Why don't you not place your blessed luabed hand 7 times like Rasulullah Sallallahu Ta'ala Anh His has did?" Sayyidina Ali replied, "Out of respect for the beloved Rasulullah Sallallahu Ta'ala Anh His." And then he disappeared. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Thus, Ghous Azam Radiallahu Ta'ala Anh started to spread his message and lecture openly for the world. His majlis had started, and in just little time, people started to come in his lectures in large number. People used to travel from distance on horses, camels, donkey for his dars, for his majlis. Every day, the number of people increasing. The sitting and even standing places are full. There is no place to stand every time. In his majlis, great scholar, great imam, mashaikh, alim deen, mufti karam, awliya karam used to come. Even malaika and angels come. Even jinns come to listen him. The Rafzi and Kharji used to revert into true Islam. The non-Muslim accept Islam in his majlis. The sinner Muslim started to become a pious mu'min after listening to him. One of your karamat was that the person who is sitting in the last row can able to hear the blessed word as the first person who is sitting in the front row. Even Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam used to come in his majlis. It was a place of guidance for misguided man, a blessed place for a humankind. Ghous Azam Radiallahu Ta'ala Anh is the leader of all Auliya Allah. He is the master of all Auliya Allah.